Copper and vinegar pest claims, what works and what doesn't. Viral claims that twisted copper wire soaked in vinegar eliminates all household pests are misleading. Different pests follow distinct biological rules. Ants use pheromone trails to forage, fruit flies reproduce rapidly, egg to adult in about 10 to 12 days, and mosquitoes develop as larvae in standing water. One single household hack cannot reliably interrupt all these life cycles. For ants, diluted vinegar sprays can temporarily disrupt foraging trails by removing pheromone cues, causing workers to scatter, but the effect is short-lived, minutes to hours, and does not reach the colony or queen. True control requires sanitation, sealing entry points, and colony-targeted measures. For fruit flies, apple cider vinegar traps effectively capture adult flies and reduce numbers, but traps only address adults. Persistent infestations recur unless breeding sites, rotting fruit, drains, fermenting residues, are found and eliminated. Sanitation and drain cleaning are essential to prevent reinfestation. For mosquitoes, copper ions in water can lethally affect larvae at very low concentrations. Studies show dissolved copper slows development and increases larval mortality. Copper in standing water can therefore be a targeted larvicide, but it does not repel adult mosquitoes or affect non-aquatic life stages. Practical guidance: use vinegar where evidence supports it. Spray trails to momentarily disrupt ants and set vinegar traps for adult fruit flies, while actively searching for and removing breeding sources. Use copper only as a larval control in contained standing water that will not drain into gardens or drinking supplies. Combine these targeted tactics with proper sanitation and monitoring for effective, responsible pest management.